Lesson 9. Homework. What's in the room? What's in the garden? Write sentences using there is, there isn't, is there, and all the phrases below the pictures. Then copy everything into your notebook, what's on the page. Complete these sentences with words that you know. Try to use always different words and write 5 of each. There are, there aren't, are there. Write sentences using the words and phrases below these pictures. Use there are, there aren't, are there. Then copy everything from this page into your notebook. Complete these sentences with words that you know and write at least 5 of each. What's in the garden? What's this? It's a garden. There's a garden in this picture. What's in the garden near the house? There's a garage near the house. Is there a car in the garage? Yes, there is. Is there a big car in it? No, there isn't a big car in the garage. There's only a small car there. What's behind the garage? There are big trees behind the garage. How many trees are there behind the garage? There are only 2 trees behind it. What's in the trees? There are birds in the trees. How many birds are there in the trees? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds there. Are there 2 cats on the fence? No, there aren't. There are 2 white cats and a black cat on the fence. And there's a dog in front of the gate. Read this text at least 3 times and try to memorize as much of it as possible. After that, I need you to write questions for the affirmative sentences. Try to write as many questions as you can. For example, there's a garden in this picture. Question: is there a garden in this picture? Second question: what is in this picture? After this, complete the exercises. Exercise 1, you will be practicing prepositions. I need you to write everything into your notebook and ask at least 2 questions for each of these sentences in exercise 1. One question could be a yes or no question. In exercise 2, you need to ask as many questions as possible and put the sentence into negative. Write everything down into your notebook. You need to try to complete exercise 3 and exercise 4 without checking the answers first. Once completed, I need you to ask as many questions for the answers as possible. For example, there's a policeman at the corner. Question: is there a policeman at the corner? Another question: who is at the corner? Write everything down into your notebook. Make sure that you read all the words and the phrases and write them down into your dictionary notebook.